Morning. I'm gonna share one little bad experience I have Sunday. We don't know. Alright, Sunday night my boss called me and she said to me, me know say you have to come and work for Monday, but me I ask you if you could have come and work for 12 o'clock Sunday night. And me say, alright then. Me I go try see how best me can reach. So I call my co-worker who I normally use and give him a little gas money. So I call him enough from after 3 and I say, you can drop me at work for 12 o'clock and I give you $20? Him say, yeah. Him say, yeah man, no problem. We do it for you man. So I say, alright. I say, what time you go come? Him say, if you come out the door 11:30, walk outside 11:30. I walk outside from 11:25. When me see him 11:45, I'm still not see him, start calling. No answer. Me call him. All 12:30, me still sit down out the door call him. I tell my boss, no stop calling me down because she did have to go to work in the night there too. And she a nurse and she need to reach a work, but she can't leave the person. Anyway, all me I call the man not answer him phone. Hey, wanna believe me say all 1 o'clock me still sit down out the door. Me call about 5-6 Uber, me can't get to nobody because you know after 12 in the night, so me not get to nobody. Me feel frustrated. Me feel like me can't bother. Me feel hurt. All type of feelings, mixed emotions are come over me. Anyway, my nether half said to me, say, alright, I'm gonna try call one of my friend. We're supposed to come off of work 11 o'clock, but the man go all asleep. So anyway, him still call him. The man in a bed asleep, you know. And the man decide say, alright, him go help me more, come out and help me. So I said to him, say, alright, I'll give the $20 then. Or when me get work, me give you one extend penny. The man said, no give me no money. I say, you really want to reach a work? I see the frustration pan with your boss. I call you. Me I go help you. Just buy me 2 beer when you get paid. Anyway, you see when me say all of that happen to me, me say, you know what? Me need to get a car for myself. It might not be today or tomorrow or next week or next month, but somewhere down the road, me I go try to have a car for myself. So see, sometime in our life, we get some setbacks and we get disappointed, but sometimes we have to use the disappointment as a stepping stone to do better for ourselves also. So sometimes people tell we say them are going to do something for we and they not show up. Not be mad with them, not hate them, not cut them off, but you just know say you're not going to ask them if you do certain things again. And you have to just try to set up yourself so you're not have to keep on up bother people, because right at then and there, it show me say, look here, you Tasha, you need to get a car for yourself so that you can move around and you're not have to bother people. You understand me? So right about now, this on my focus there to try get my own car, so me not have to keep on get disappointed from people. Because when you want to reach where you want to go and somebody give you the word and tell us say yes and then stood you up are the worst feeling. And me tell myself so I don't really want nobody stood me up again, so me I go try to have my own. So here what. So one time we have disappointments, no make we be mad. We could just stay focused and just try to better ourselves and try to make ourselves in our position where we not have to bother people anymore. So here what. Just hold on your head and just try to build ourselves. You understand? Anyway, we want to have a blessed day, you know.